Hello again. We are proceeding for the upgrade of Kali Linux. So while the upgrade is running, you will reach to this stage where it will stop here. Just need to press the down arrow key. Just keep pressing down. Then press Q. It will proceed the upgrade process. Again, it will take a long time. While the upgrade process is running, you're gonna get this message. It's just informing you that some servers are gonna restart while the upgrade process is going on. So just choose OK and restart services during the package upgrade without asking yes, just to avoid the interruption of the upgrade process. I'm gonna pause the video again. Okay, now the upgrade process has finished. Okay, I have prepared some comments to start with. We'll start with WD, where we are under Kali and Kali is under home. LS means list, to list all the folders and files inside the working directory. If we choose ls-l, it will list all the files and folders with more details. ls-a, it will list all the folders and files, including the hidden files which start with dot. This, for example. Now if we want to use ls command with more than one option, so instead of writing -l, -a, we can just write ls-la. It will give the same output. So if we see here, ls-l-a gave this, ls-la gave the same output. Okay, next, if we write ls all, whenever we want to write a word in Linux, we need to use two hyphens. Otherwise, if we use only one hyphen, the system will consider A as option, L as option, and L as option. So ls -all means also LSA, the same thing. Now if we want to see all the options for any command, we can write man and the command itself. Man means manual. So here it will show us that the name ls, it's the list directory contents, and how to use it is ls option and file. Here is the description. You can use A or all, it's the same. Capital A with almost all, it's the same. So just you can have a look. I don't want to spend much time on this. You can press Q just to get out. CD command, just to move to a directory. Let's say we said ls here, there is these documents. I want to move to downloads. CD downloads. Now we are under downloads. If we go back, cd dot cd space dot. Now if I write cd downloads, it will not work because it's case sensitive. So D should be capital, downloads. Okay. If I wrote cd /, that means root, it should take me to the root folder. As we said, root is the highest level folder. ls now, it will show us all the folders under the root folder. Another folder which is under root I didn't speak about last time, it's lost and found. By the way, if you deleted anything in Linux, there is no way to recover it, but you can move it to the lost and found folder. Okay, let's proceed. Now we have Alt, Control, and with function keys F1, F2, F3. If we use Alt, if we don't want to use the desktop at all, just we want to use the command line, we can press Alt, Control, F1. It will take us to the terminal number 1. Then we can put the Kali login, Kali, and the password, the one we already changed, so we'll have the same command line. Okay, if you want to get another terminal, type 2 Alt Control F2, and you can notice here the numbers changed, DT2. Okay, then Alt Control F3, F4, F5, F6. We have 6 terminal types. If we press Alt Control F7, we'll go back to the desktop. Clear, it will clear the text. Exit, it will exit the terminal. Now if we write ipconfig here, it will tell us command not found, because it's ifconfig. It's similar to the ipconfig in Windows, but here it's telling us command not found because we are not using the highest privileged user. So as we said before, we have to go to sudo -s. We'll write the password for Kali. If we write ifconfig, we can see that we have one Ethernet port which is this IP and this subnet mask, and we have a local loopback interface. Okay, so just to get rid of this headache every time we have to move to root, I'm gonna show you how to reset the password for root, just to be able to use root user instead of Kali user. So what you need to do is just password passwd root, and this will reset the password for root user. So passwd is used to reset the password for any user. Let's choose any password. Again, we have to retype, and that's it. So now if we log out from here, log out, it will ask us for the username and password. We can write root and the password which we have resetted now, and that's it. Now we'll be able to use any command without any issue, and we will avoid all this permission issues and command not found and all this stuff. So if we go to this one now, it will show us root at the hostname. So if we write here ifconfig, so immediately no need to do sudo or sudo -s and those stuff. In the next lecture, I'm gonna show you how to start the pre-attack phase and the comments related to that.